Hello guys, in this very special video we are going to fix Task Manager not working in Windows 11, Windows 10, 7 or 8. So make sure you watch the whole video and it should work like a charm, and if you have not subscribed with the channel then please hit the like and subscribe button. So the very first thing we need to do is Control Shift and Escape. So look at your keyboard and we need to press simultaneously Control Shift key and Escape, all these three keys together, and the moment we press all these three keys it will open up the Task Manager like this, and here we need to look for Windows Explorer. Now it's showing in the Apps section. In your case it might be there in the background process. You need to scroll it down and look for that. It might take some time but it will be definitely worth it. So we just have to do a right click. Once you find the Windows Explorer we just have to click on Restart, and the moment you restart see if it's working for you or not, and if it's not we will move to the next step. So I'll just close it down. The next step is press Window and I key together. The moment you press it you will see the Windows settings. Now here we need to go to Personalization. So just double click on that, and here we are looking for Taskbar Behavior, which is there at the very left hand side at the very bottom. So the moment you click on that make sure it's not hidden. In many cases people they hide it. So automatically hide the taskbar in the desktop mode should not be turned on. So if it's done then we will move to the next step, which is a Windows Update. In the search bar just type Windows and you will see the Windows Update settings. So in many cases when we update the Windows it repairs the whole Windows files. So if it's not working for you all these two steps then we will just update the Windows. Make sure you have up-to-date latest version, and once it is updated just restart the computer and see if it's working. Let me know in the comments section if it has worked or it didn't work for you. I'll surely help. And please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.